In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add music to your website in Framer. This guide is beginner-friendly and you don't need coding skills to follow along. By the end, your site will be able to play background music or audio for your visitors. Let's begin. First, go to framer.com and log in to your account. From your dashboard, open the project where you want to add music. You'll now be inside the Framer editor. Before adding music, you need an audio file. This can be background music, an intro sound, or any audio you have the rights to use. Make sure your file is in MP3 or WAV format and saved on your computer. Now go back to Framer. On the left side of the screen, click the Insert button. This opens the Elements panel. In the search bar, type Embed. Drag the Embed component onto your page where you want the audio player to exist. Most people place it in the footer or a hidden section if they want background music. With the Embed element selected, go to the right side Properties panel. You will see a field where you can paste code. This is where we add audio using HTML. Now upload your music file somewhere online so it has a direct link. You can use cloud storage like Google Drive with a direct link, Dropbox, or any file hosting service that gives you a public audio URL ending in .mp3 or .wav. Once you have your direct audio link, use this basic audio code. Copy this code and paste it into the Embed code box in Framer. Replace the part that says paste your audio link here with your actual audio file link. Let's understand what this does. The Controls option shows play and pause buttons. Autoplay tries to start music automatically when the page loads. Loop makes the music repeat continuously. If you want background music without visible controls, remove the word controls from the code. If you don't want autoplay, remove autoplay. After pasting the code, click outside the box to apply it. You should now see the audio player in the editor preview. Resize or reposition the embed element if needed. If you want it hidden, you can make it very small and place it at the bottom of the page, but keep in mind some browsers restrict autoplay with sound. Now click the Preview button at the top right. Test the page and see if the music plays correctly. Try play, pause, and refresh the page to check autoplay and loop behavior. If everything works, click Publish to update your live website. That's how you add music in Framer. You can now create more engaging websites with sound, intros, or background music. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple Framer guides.